Welcome, I'm filming the Xiaomi Redmi 10C, and today I'll show you how you can boot this phone into recovery mode. So to get started, you want to hold your power key, select power off, and once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. So let's do that right now. Now when you see the Mi logo on the screen, you can let go of the keys and wait for the recovery mode to show up. And there we go. Now in this mode you will need to use volume keys up and down to navigate through the menu, as you can see, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now from here we can reboot the device and go back to Android. We can wipe data, which is just a factory reset, connect with the MIAssistant app, or boot the device into safe mode. And whatever we have selected, you confirm with power key. So because I want to leave this mode, I'm gonna stick with the first option, which is already selected. From that, then select reboot system now, which again is selected, and this will now take me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.